Hey, this is Josh Taylor with Trade Advisor Pro, and I want to thank you for checking out our video today. Now, before we get started with today's free Forex training video, I want to give you a chance to pause this video right now and go to our website. Trade Advisor Pro offers you free Forex training videos, and trade alerts. And folks, you do not want to miss our trade alerts. We send out a bunch of trade alerts every month that are top rated in the industry. We send you our exact trades right to your inbox. Pause the video now. Go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free, and all you have to do is register and then come back to this video, and we'll be sending you a lot more goodies to help you with your Forex trading. Enjoy today's training video. Our award-winning trade signals are top rated amongst all the other trade signals companies out there. We average over 1,000 pips a month, and our win-loss ratio is unbelievable. So again, if you have not signed up for a free webinar, I would highly suggest doing that because we explain a lot more in depth on that webinar how our service works. All right? So now I want to move on to some live charts. I'm going to show you some live trading, and I want you to think about foreign currency trading. When we talked about, we just showed you two pictures of charts, right? One was a complete mess. All these crazy indicators are supposedly going to show you where to be entering or exiting trades. And then there is a simple system that I use, which is nothing but support and resistance. Okay, so let's talk about this. Let's look at a pair here. In fact, I had a pair I want to bring up. All right. This is a picture of the chart we just had up here a little bit ago. This is a live trading chart. In fact, so while we're talking, you may see this price go up and down a few pips here. Every one of these points is called a pip, a price index point. When they're yen pairs, any currency pair that's trading against the yen is only going to be 2 decimal points past, and other currency pairs are most of the time 4 decimal points, right? So every one of these, like you see, this is the euro US dollar, which is at 32.62, which means it takes 1.3262 US dollars to buy 1 euro. Okay, and so as the value of the actually, as economic factors happen in each country, in this case the euro against the US dollar, as any economic factors to come out, whether it's news releases on where the current economic conditions are in the US or current economic conditions in the euro, that would cause the value of one of our currency pairs to strengthen against the other, these currency pairs move up and down. And in fact, it looks difficult, but it's actually very predictable. In fact, I want to go to a currency pair that we've been trading a lot for the last couple of weeks. We've had I don't know how many, 7, 8 profitable trades of this pair, and you can see this is the euro yen, and this is the euro against the yen. So we've been, here's a concept you need to write down. Okay, and this is non-scripted, guys. I'm just sitting here blabbing on a video to explain to you guys how this works, and this is something that's very, very important. So I'm going to say this slowly. I'm going to repeat it, and I want you to understand this. Currency pairs trade within a range 80% of the time. Now here's what this means. On this current chart, you can see that there's times where price spikes up, spikes down, spikes up, down, up quick, but most of the time you can see that this currency pair has been trading in what we call ranges. Let me squeeze this in a little bit more. This is a range. See this? Boom, 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 boom. 80% of the time. Eventually this is going to break out. In fact, we're getting really close because price is squeezing in what we call a pennant pattern, where this resistance point is held firm and this trend line is held firm. It's moving up, 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 and we're going to see this thing break out. So it will break out, but eventually it'll go back into another range. Here's a range here. See, in this area. I'm going to move this down. And not all the ranges are going to be perfect, but you can see that for the most part, prices boom, 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 boom. Now, then it broke out down into another range, and it got into another range. 80% of the time, a currency pair will trade within a range. So our goal is to trade these ranges. And for instance, on this euro pound, trade, a currency pair. We've actually been trading this thing for the last couple of weeks very, very successfully. We continually bought here, sold here, bought here, sold, bought, and currently, as of this morning, we actually sold this pair. We're already up a small amount, 5%, 5 pips in profit. But we're expecting this pair to come back down, at least down to this trend line. We're going to close out at a profit, and which we will buy again. So, I want you to think about currency pairs and these price levels, which we call ranges, okay, as an apartment building. Now, if you let's say this is a 10-story apartment building, okay, and we're going to put a line here, okay, and I'm going to color this so you can see it. We're going to call this we're just going to say this is a floor, okay. This is the ground floor, okay. Now, you can see that this currency pair seems to have a ceiling. There's certain spots where the price, like here, for days, it tried to break through this and it could not properly break through. And same with here, this 8,400 mark. As you can see, price all the way back from mid-December, I think it's December 14th, that this price has been trying to break through the ceiling. Okay, remember, floor, ceiling. Folks, I hope you enjoyed today's training video. If you have not done so already, stop this video now and go to tradeadvisorpro.com/free and register absolutely free for free Forex training videos, and free Forex traded alerts directly to your inbox. Go to the website right now and register for free. All kinds of goodies for you. Thanks a lot.